Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with essentials. Make sure your laptop is online because authentication happens over the network. Open Settings then Accounts or use the sign-in screen right away. Choose Sign in with a Microsoft account. Enter your email or phone. Type the password slowly so autofill errors don't lock you out. If you use 2FA, get your phone or Authenticator app ready. Once done, press Next and wait for the server response. Don't rush to retry. Now you handle verification. When Microsoft asks, choose the verification method you set up: text code, Authenticator app code, or an alternate email. You type the code exactly as shown. Make sure you enter any hyphens or spaces if provided. If prompted, decide whether to convert a local account into your Microsoft account or create a new user. Pick Convert to Sync Settings. Make sure syncing options are set how you want them, because that controls OneDrive and personalization. Finish by reviewing sync status and Windows Hello options so your sign-in stays seamless. You should see your account name in settings and OneDrive starting to sync files. If not, make sure date and time are correct. Authentication fails with wrong system time. If sign-in fails, reset your password or use the recovery code. Check email for Microsoft messages. As a quick troubleshooting tip, restart the laptop and reconnect to the network. If problems persist, boot to safe mode and test network authentication there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.